Hello everyone, this is Masiman from the Knowledge Land and welcome to a new video in this group. In today's video, I'm going to give you some insights and tips. How can you support and assist your child to study efficiently in your house? With the global pandemic taking over the world, many families and many parents are struggling to figure out how can they assist and support their children, especially in their education. I completely understand that this is an overwhelming situation. I completely understand that online learning and virtual learning requires a lot of self-regulated learning skills. However, this is a unique opportunity because you're going to be the main influence in your child's life. Yes, the main influence in your child's life. You're going to have the opportunity to watch his character and observe his personality. And you're going to have the opportunity to watch him growing and moving forward in his education. So just encourage and pep up your child with morals and, of course, confidence. So in today's video, I'm going to give you 8 tips. How can you support your child? Tip number 1 is to set up a space in your house for learning. Having a dedicated space will help your child to perform better. There are no guidelines on how this space should look like. It can be a table, a desk, wherever your child feels comfortable. Tip number 2, limit all kind of distractions. Yes, all kind of distractions. Turn the TV off. Turn off your app's notifications, because this will give you a time to focus. This is not only important for your child, this is also important for you to focus more on what you're doing. Tip number 3 is set up or create a routine in your life, in your house. Create a schedule, create a daily routine, and get firm in doing or in applying this routine. Your child will absorb your habits. Your child will see what you're doing and he will do the same. It's very important to set up a routine and a daily schedule. And you guys, you need to figure out when is your child's best capabilities to study. If you see that your child's best capabilities are in the morning, let morning time be the studying time. If you see your child's best capabilities are in the afternoon, let afternoon be the studying time. Tip number 4 is to have a break between the learning periods. This is a very important one. Having a break and resting time between learning periods. You need to focus on the quality time you are sitting with your child, not on the quantity time you are sitting with your child. Tip number 5 is get familiar with your child's learning materials. Get familiar with the curriculum. And the most important is to get familiar with your child's learning style. And you guys, if you want me to do another video of how to figure out your child's learning styles, I'm willing to do this. And why this point is very important, because you're going to be the only support for your child. Whenever he sees any difficulties, whenever he faces any problem, you're gonna be there available for him. You're gonna give him suggestions and solutions for the problems. And please be very patient and gentle with your child's queries and doubts. Tip number 6 is to acknowledge all kind of achievements. Yes, all kind of achievements. It's very important to acknowledge and appreciate even the smaller achievements. This won't help him only to be happy. This will motivate your child. Yes. However, you need to be very careful to bribe your child. This may not interest your child to study with patience. Tip number 7 is having fun with your child. Think outside the box. Find fun activities to do. And by the way, many coaches see that this is the best time to pursue your child's interest. It could be cooking, painting, writing, drawing, reading. Just feed your child's interest. The last step is to find a support group. It can be a Facebook group, it can be a WhatsApp group, a Telegram channel. These groups are very beneficial and are very supportive. You will find answers for your concerns. You will review the curriculum in this group. They will provide you with some learning materials. And you guys, at the end, we don't want, as parents, we don't want our kids to study. We want them to learn. Yes, to learn. We want to show them the joy of learning, exploring, discovering, and of course, reading. I hope I give you some benefits in this video. Please, if you have any concerns, leave a comment below. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for another video. Goodbye.